The Tire Pressure Monitoring System, or TPMS, helps keep an eye on the tire's inflation, making for more confident driving. When TPMS detects low inflation, an indicator light comes on in the instrument panel. It's the one that looks like the cross-section of a tire with an exclamation mark in the middle. When that happens, be sure to check the tire pressure in all 4 tires, make any necessary repairs, and fill the tires to the pressure recommended on the label in the driver's door jamb. TPMS needs to be recalibrated each time you adjust tire pressure, rotate the tires, or replace a tire. To start the process, make sure the ignition is on and the transmission is in park. Set the parking brake. Press the clock menu button on the display. Rotate the selector knob to choose Settings and press in. Rotate the knob to highlight Vehicle Settings and press. Then select TPMS Calibration and press. Finally, highlight Calibrate and press to select. The calibration process takes a while to complete. The car will have to be driven for about 30 minutes at speeds between 30 and 60 miles per hour, but not all at once.